Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm gonna be doing some floral pattern. First, I'm going to apply a touch of glass from the Pearly collection. I leave the pinky for another color. As usual, I'm gonna apply 2 coats on each nail. On the pinky, I'm gonna apply the color Vintage Party from the glitter collection. How glittery it is, unbelievable. And full cure for 30 seconds. So I'm applying my second coat. And cure for 30 seconds with a dotting tool and some white color. I'm going to do like a roundy shape, and I'm going to do the same on the index finger. And flash cure for 10 seconds. I'm gonna drop some serious black onto my palette, and with the detailing brush I'm gonna overline my round. Don't make it perfect, do some very thin line and some other a bit thicker. And flash cure, I'm adding some very thin line to create like a petal. And flash cure for 10 seconds. With the dotting tool I'm gonna make some dots to create the heart of the flower. Now I'm going to create some leaves. Now I'm going to do the same on the index finger. And flash cure for 10 seconds. With the detailing 001 brush, I'm going to make some bud. And flash cure for 10 seconds. To finish the design, I'm just gonna add some more glitter. And I'm gonna drag the glitter. And a full cure for 30 seconds. As usual, I'm gonna apply the Urban Graffiti top coat to select the design. And a full cure of 60 seconds. I'm applying some cuticle oil and give a very nice massage to those fingers. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the product cues are in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and until next time, au revoir!